Welcome back to Max with RP. Today we are going to solve competency based problems in trigonometry. Let us see what they are. First is a case study. Very interesting case study. A trigonometric quiz is organized in a school which consists of 3 rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3 to get a winner. 4 teams participated in the quiz, team 1, team 2, team 3 and team 4. In each round, the same question was asked to all the teams and one team was eliminated after every round. Okay, because they probably gave a wrong answer and they were eliminated. So at the end of each round, one team got eliminated. So this is the information given. These are the questions in round 1, round 2 and round 3. So based on this information, let us answer the given questions. Which team gets eliminated in round 1 if the following are the statements made by the teams? What is round 1? Give a correct statement related to a trigonometric ratio of an angle theta. So we have to check which of these statements is correct or which is false and then eliminate. Now, if you look at the 4 quadrants, even though 4 quadrants are not there in your syllabus, I think it's good to know a little more than what is given in your textbook. So you know the xy plane or the x and y, x-axis and y-axis divide the plane into 4 quadrants. Here all silver teacups, all functions are positive. Here sine function alone is positive. Tan alone is positive in the 3rd quadrant. Cos is alone is positive in the 4th quadrant. What do you mean by quadrants? This is 0 to 90 degrees. This is 90 to 180 degrees. So 180 to 270 degrees. This is 270 to 360 degrees. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go into detail. Just for you to know a little more than what is needed is always useful and it's good. So look at the first answer that is given by team 1. Cos theta equal to -1 for some angle theta. You know that, for example, in the 3rd quadrant, cos function is negative. Okay. So it is possible that cos theta is negative. So this is possible. Tan theta equal to 2. You know that tan 0 is 0, whereas tan 90 is not defined, that is infinity. Right? So it goes from 0 to infinity. Tan takes from 0 to infinity in the 1st quadrant itself. So definitely it will be 2 for some. The value of tan theta will be 2 for some angle theta. So this is also a true statement. If sin theta equal to 2 for some angle theta, is it possible? You know that sin theta lies between sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. Okay. So the maximum value of sin theta is 1, minimum value is -1. So sin theta can never be 2. So this is not possible. Tan theta can be 10. I told you tan theta assumes values up to infinity. Sin theta and cos theta are 2 functions which assumes values from -1 to +1. So these are some basic facts that you ought to know. So based on this, team 3 gets eliminated. So what do you observe? Team 3 gets eliminated. Now let's go on to the next question. What answers should the team give to enter round 3? Show your work. So to enter round 3, they need to qualify in round 2. Qualify in round 2. Which question were we attempting? 10. What is round 2 question? If cos square theta minus sin square theta is 3 by 4, cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 3 by 4, where theta lies between 0 to 90, use identities, appropriate identities to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So I want to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So since I want cos square value of cos theta, I am keeping cos square theta as it is. Sin square theta I am writing as 1 minus cos square theta. So you will get 2 cos square theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 3 by 4. Or 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4, which is 7 by 4. Cos square theta equal to 7 by 8. See, cos square theta minus sin square theta is 3 by 4. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So, cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. This minus 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Minus 1 taken to the other side becomes plus 1. So, 1 plus 3 by 4 will give you 7 by 4. Now, cos square theta is 7 by 4 by 2, which is 7 by 8. So, cos theta is plus or minus root 7 by 2 root 2. Okay. Now, let us also, and what will be tan theta? Because two questions are needed. You have to find cos theta and tan theta. So, how will you find tan theta? So, suppose this is your right angle triangle and this is your theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta will be adjacent side, root 7 by 2 root 2. See, it can be a multiple of that, but I am only taking the ratio. So, it is actually root 7 times k, root 2 k, but to avoid confusion, I am just taking it as it is, root 7 and 2 root 2. Now, what will be x? Now, you know that x square plus root 7 square, which is 7, is equal to 2 root 2 square, which is 8. So, x square equal to 1. So, x is plus or minus 1. Right? So, what will be tan theta? Tan theta will be x by root 7. That is tan theta equal to 1 by root 7. Since it's given everything is in the first quadrant, I am taking only the positive value. So, cos theta is plus root 7 to plus, because in the first quadrant cos is positive. Cos theta is plus root 7 by 2 root 2 and tan theta is what? 1 by root 7. So, only if they get these two values correctly, they will go to next round. Now, what is the next question? What answers should the team give to enter round 3? We have already seen. The remaining teams were asked the round 3 question. What answer should a team give to win the quiz? Show your work. So, that is the question. That is, who will qualify in round 3? Or what answer should one get in order to qualify in round 3? What is round 3? You have a right angle triangle. Okay. ABC, where B is right angle. And sin A, let me call this as theta. So, sin A is equal to, what will you get? It is given actually, 1 by 4 given. We need to find the value of cos square A plus 2 sin square A plus 2 sin square C plus cos square C. So, we need to find the value of the expression cos square A plus 2 sin square A, which I am going to split it as sin square A plus sin square A plus 2 sin square C plus 2 cos square C plus 2 into sin square C plus cos square C. Now, this will be cos square A plus sin square A is 1 plus What is sine? So this one I have combined as 1. What is sine square A? 1 by 16 plus 2 into sine square C plus cos square C is again 1. So this gives you 16 plus 1 plus 32. 49 by 16. So the value of the expression is 49 by 16. So whoever gets 49 by 16 will qualify in round 3. So is it clear? Actually the calculations are very simple. So but you need to understand the underlying concept. So we have done all this. Now look at this question. If tan x minus cot y equal to 0, you have to find the value of x plus y. So question number 12. Tan x minus cot y equal to 0. This implies tan x equal to cot y. So we are dealing with 0 less than or equal to x, y less than or equal to 90. Okay. So in a right angle triangle, that means we are dealing with the first quadrant. Okay. If this is 90, if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Okay. What will be tan theta? So tan theta, suppose I call this as A, B, C, and this side as A, this side as B, and this side as C. Tan theta will be A by C. What will be tan of 90 minus theta? Tan of 90 minus theta will be B by C. Tan of 90 minus theta will be, sorry, opposite by adjacent side. So for this angle, what is the opposite side? B. B by A. What is tan theta? Sorry, A by B. Opposite by adjacent side, which is A by B. What is tan of 90 minus theta? B, again opposite to that, that is B by A, which is same as cot theta. So tan of 90 minus theta is always cot theta. So I can write this cot y as cot y, I can write it as tan of 90 minus y. So tan x equal to tan of 90 minus y, or in other words, x is equal to 90 minus y, or x plus y equal to 90 degrees. Tan x is equal to cot y is given. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which is A by B. Tan of 90 minus theta will be opposite by adjacent, which is B by A. If tan theta is A by B, cot theta will be B by A. Now, what is tan x? Now, I am coming back to this. What is tan x? Tan x is equal to tan of 90 minus tan x is equal to tan of, what is x? You know, from here tan x is equal to cot y. This cot y, I can write it as tan of 90 minus y. What does that mean? X is equal to 90 minus y, or x plus y equal to 90 degrees. See, if this is 90, if this angle is x, and if this angle is y, x plus y will be 90. That is why we are writing one as theta, other will be 90 minus theta. That is why if tan x equal to cot y, this cot y can be written as tan of 90 minus y. If x is 90 minus y, x plus y equal to 90 degrees. Is it clear? Now let's go on to the next problem. Prove that sine square 70 minus sine square 10 is cos square 10 minus cos square 70. Now sine square 70, I can write it as 1 minus cos square 70 minus sine square 10, I can write it as 1 minus cos square 10. So this is, now 1 gets cancelled. So minus cos squares 70 plus cos square 10, which is same as cos square 10 minus cos square 70. Now, next question. Write true or false for the given statement. Give a valid reason. In a right-angled triangle, right-angled at B, can cosecant A be less than 1? We are going to now answer this question. Can cosecant A be less than 1? Okay. Now, you know that sin A is less than or equal to 1. Okay. Now, 1 by sin A will be greater than or equal to this reciprocal, which is again 1. So, whenever you take a reciprocal in an inequality, the inequality gets reversed. So, if sin A is, is lies between -1 less than or equal to sin A is less than or equal to 1. But I'm interested in cosecant A. Cosecant A is 1 by sin A. So, 1 by sin A is greater than or equal to 1 because I am taking the reciprocals. So, this is a false statement. It cannot be less than 1. Therefore, it is a false statement. What is the value of sin square theta plus secant square theta plus cos square theta minus tan square theta, where theta is an acute angle? So, I can rewrite this as sin square theta plus cos square theta minus or plus secant square theta minus tan square theta. You know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So, 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan theta is 1. So, 1 plus 1, which is 2. Next question, question number 16. Find the value of theta for which the below statement is 2. 16th question. Root 3 tan theta minus cot 45 equal to 0. So, root 3 tan theta is equal to cot 45. What is cot 45? What is cot 45? 1 by is 1. You know that tan 45 is 1. So, cot 45 is also 1. So, this is 1. So, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. You know for which value of theta is tan theta 1 by root 3? Theta equal to 30 degrees. So, when theta equal to 30 degrees, root 3 tan theta will be equal to cot 45. So, this is the answer for the last question. Next question, in a triangle ABC, AC is equal to 25 centimeter and sin C. What is sin C? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB by 25. But sin C is given to be 4 by 5. Is also equal to 4 by 5. When you say 4 by 5, it's a ratio. So, the actual value is 5 times this. So, what will be AP? AP will be 4 times 5, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Now, they have asked you to find the value of BC. Now, AB, sin C is AB. So, this is 20. So, x square by Pythagoras theorem is 25 square minus 20 square, which is 625 minus 400, which is 225. Therefore, x will be 15. Root of 225. which is 15. X being the length of a triangle, will take it to be positive. So x is equal, and since we are restricting ourselves to the first quadrant, x is equal to 15. And x is being length, it is positive. Next question, question number 18. This is the 17th question. Now question number 18. If sine of a plus b is root 3 by 2, sine of a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2. And sine of a minus b is half. If a plus b sine, for what value of theta is sine theta root 3 by 2? Sine 30 is half, right? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So a plus b is 60 degrees. What will be a minus b? Sine 30 is half. So a minus b must be 30. Sine 30 is half, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So now adding 2a equal to 90 degrees or a equal to 45 degrees. If a is 45 degrees, what will be b? So we are, see, here you are given a plus b is 60. So if a is 45, b will be 15 degrees. And 40, you can check in the right next equation also. 45 minus 15 is 30 degrees. So we are done with 18. Now 2 sine 3a is root 3. So sine 3a is root 3 by 2. You have to find the value of a. For what value of sine theta is, we'll call 3ta as theta. If sine theta is root 3 by 2, what is theta? Theta will be 60. So 3a is 60 degrees. So a will be 60 by 3, which is 20 degrees. So the value of a can be determined. Remember that this is first 3a. So 3a is 60 degrees. Therefore a will be 60 by 3, which is 20 degrees. So today we saw some simple questions, but they are all competency based questions because they depend on your understanding of your concept, not based on rote learning. That is why they are called competency based questions. I hope you found the session useful. Please practice all these questions with understanding, and until we meet next time, it's goodbye. Please share this video if you found it useful with your classmates. Thank you.